Most of the people, especially in the Hindi belt, are unaware about the southern politics, mainly about Tamil Nadu. And mainly, if we look to our people, they don't care about the Dravidian politics. But on the national level, what the Dravidian victory mean? What it signifies? First of all, look at the 1990s period. You will get a clear picture about that. Our social justice forces all around the India were gathered together, and because of only that, the Congress get liberalized. Otherwise, if you look Congress pre 90s, they were same that you can say a polished version of BJP. So, in order to have a strong coalition government, you need DMK there. You need some of the social justice forces like BSP and RJD or SP or whatever. Because of only of these parties, in efforts of these party, uh, the the proper implementation of Mandal Commission or any such welfare policy can be done. We have seen what is happening with current federal scenario of India. The other regional party has been reduced to reduced to, you can say, like assets. They can't do anything. They are on the mercy of the national party BJP. And what BJP is doing, they are suppressing our people. So for that, we need a strong DMK government, not only in Tamil Nadu, but as already the Tamil Nadu has done very excellent job by sending the MPs, almost all 38 MPs from the UPA alliance. So when even in 2019 election, that is another thing that BJP was. But the symbol of resistance, what was that was Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and especially Tamil Nadu, a regional party, a time when Hindi hegemony was sweeping all over the India. It was Tamil Nadu which has shown his exemplary achievement, the courage they have shown, the resistance they have shown. In spite all those crackdowns the central government has put on Tamil Nadu, like that of NEET or that the fire shootings in Tuticorin through its doll government, you can say that ADMK government. Mm. Number second, we have seen how this government is doing pursuing the policy of privatization, ending every reservation. Reservation is their ultimate. So the next most pressing issue or objective is coming for us, for our people, is going to be the reservation in private sector and the reservation in judiciary. What we have to do next. So for that, Congress, we need to understand that Congress will not do on its own. Congress will do only when there is strong pressure on from their coalition partner. That only DMK, RJD, SP or BSP can do. Even if left or TMC become a part of UPA coalition, you cannot expect from them if they are going to put pressure for social justice or thing. So mainly eh, DMK or such like-minded parties will do for that only. So these are the reasons why DMK's victory what mean for our people and what long-term impact it will have. And not further, not to mention, not to, no need to mention that DMK victory will stop the BJP. Already, their mentality has been second in South India. They are not very good there, but they are trying their best to spread their roots there. However, with the victory of DMK in Tamil Nadu, and I hope also secular forces will sweep in Kerala. That is going to happen. That will end BJP, put them in cold box till 2024 or maybe even longer, 2029. Thank you, Kathir.